In this tutorial, let's just quickly change your Flutter app icon and app name in Android Studio. First of all, copy this package and add it in your pubspec.yaml file. We can also do it without using package. Let me know in comment section if you need this. Note that, you have to add this under dev dependency and not that main one. Keep this indentation as well. Now, go back to package page and copy this amount of code. Paste it just after that dependency we added. This time, adjust your indentation so that first line don't have any space before it. Now, we have to change this launcher icon string to whatever defined in Android manifest file. Quickly open Android manifest file and look for Android icon, copy the trailing string after slash and replace it with launcher icon string. So far so good, let's add your icon file into project. For that, create one folder named Assets in your root project folder and paste your icon inside it. Update path to where we added our icon and also change name of icon to file name of your icon. We are good to go now. Now, copy these two commands and run it in terminal. Just hard restart your app and it should be having fantastic app icon like this. Let's just also change this project name as well. For Android, go to Android manifest file and look for Android label, update that string to whatever you want to name it. And now for iOS, go to runner folder and an info.plist file. Look for CF bundle display name key and update its value to your app name. Restart your app, and you are welcome.